Let's hear about your transition from public defender to civil in terms of jury selection.
Growing up in the criminal law world, and this would be the late 90s, there was a very different approach to the approach that I think most people take now, certainly very different from the approach I take now, where as a public defender, the one thing you have going for you, if you've got anything going for you, is that the law is pretty good, right? This standard beyond a reasonable doubt should be a very high standard and a difficult standard for prosecutors to meet. And my interest was obviously in making sure that a jury would apply that. And so I spent time in voir dire trying to get jurors to assure me that they would follow the law. And it turns out that that's not a very successful way to get the jurors you're looking for, because at the end of the day they can promise you all day. I don't think they're necessarily lying to you, but there's a subconscious element, as we all know, certainly as Harry knows, seeing the number of jurors that he sees, where people will frequently they don't see themselves necessarily in the way that they actually are to the rest of the world, and that doesn't make them a liar. It's just a reality. I think we all have that. I'm sure there's ways in which people see me that I don't see myself. And so getting people to affirm positive beliefs is just not very effective in terms of making sure that you are getting people who will enforce or stay true to those quote unquote positive beliefs.